In a significant development, the Brazilian government has expressed interest in the next-generation variant of the BrahMos system, which is a shorter and lighter version of the Indo-Russian supersonic cruise missile that is currently under development and is expected to be tested by 2024. Brazil wants to integrate the BrahMos-NG on its Gripen-E fighter jet procured from Sweden, as well as its nuclear-powered submarine. The BrahMos-NG weighs 1.5 tons and has a length of 6 meters, due to which it can be equipped on almost all fighter jets including the Tejas Mark 1A. The Mach 3 capable BrahMos-NG will have a range of 290 kilometers, and while the Indian Air Force have shown interest in the program, the Navy has not backed the program due to its capped range of 290 kilometers. The acquisition of the advanced Super Heron surveillance drones for the Indian Army is in the final stages, and the deal is expected to be signed in December. The Super Heron has an endurance of 45 hours at a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, and it features improved onboard technology including upgraded sensors, radar and communication systems. The Indian Army is also procuring RQ-11 Raven drones from US that will be used to carry out low-altitude intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance missions along the line of actual control, and chances are that they could also be built in India in collaboration with its Indian partner Dynamatic Technologies. Russia's Rosoboronexport has offered the Prima high-mobility surveillance and acquisition radar system to its foreign customers including India, which offers a unique capability to effectively detect, track, locate and identify aerial targets of various classes, including low-visibility targets like stealth fighter jets. The 320 km range radar features a high level of automation and can be deployed within 5 minutes, and it can operate effectively in a jamming environment, difficult terrain as well as adverse weather conditions. India and Nigeria held a virtual meeting that was organized by the Department of Defense Production, during which various Indian public and private sector defense companies made product presentations on major platforms. This meeting also comes one day after the Nigerian government announcement that the country's Air Force was expecting delivery of 3 F-17 fighters from China, which makes them the third Air Force to procure the fighter jets after Pakistan and Myanmar. The Indian Defence Minister held a virtual meeting with the Defence Minister of Vietnam, with focus on strengthening of defence ties and increase bilateral exchanges, and the two sides also signed an agreement on hydrography, which is critical for anti-submarine operations. The approximate annual requirement of fabric for the 3 armed services and paramilitary forces is around 1.5 crore meters per year. The DRDO is now helping the Indian textile industries to produce advanced fabrics that will help to end the dependence on import from China and other foreign countries in this sector. The advanced fabrics can also be used for future requirement of parachutes and bulletproof jackets. The French ambassador to India Emmanuel Lenin met the UP Chief Minister, where they discussed new ways to promote bilateral partnerships, and France has expressed keen interest to contribute to the UP Defence Corridor. A number of companies from Germany, Italy and UK are already in talks to shift their production lines to the UP Defence Corridor. The representatives of the navies of India and Russia have discussed bilateral interaction in building ships for the Indian Navy at Russian shipyards and holding their trials at the Baltic Sea ranges. They also announced that the two navies will hold a joint exercise in the Baltic Sea, and the Indian Navy will later take part in the celebration of Russia's Navy Day in 2021.
Omar dropped it.